Dear students, we have completed lesson 8 Medieval India, the Sultanate, Delhi Sultanate. Okay, so today I'm going to give you question answers that is in page 77 and 78. You can see all the short answer questions in page 77 and in page 78. So take out your book and open page 77 and 78. I will read out the answers. Short answer questions. Who was the founder of slave dynasty in India? Give the other name for his dynasty. Okay, answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak was the founder of slave dynasty in India, and his other name the other name of his dynasty is known as Mamluk Sultans. Okay? Before that, you have to read the lesson once again so that it will be easier for you to know the answers. Okay? Then you see page 78. Question number 2. Why was Qutbuddin known as Lakhwag? List any two of his qualities. Answer. Qutbuddin known as Lakhwag because of liberal distribution of money, he earned the title of Lakhwag. So you have to complete the sentence. I have given the points only, but you have to write in sentence. Then you see question number 3. State any two architectural features of Qutub Minar. Any two architectural features, it is given in your book. From there also you can write. You open page 74, 73 and 74, it is there. From there you can write. I have written here about the red sandstone. It is in point E. You see page 74 point E. Red sandstones, marble and grey quartzite were used to construct the tower. Then each of the towers has a projecting balcony. These balconies are supported in such a way that the whole structure takes the load of weight. No wonder that such an old building has lasted so many centuries. Then verses from the Holy Quran and some intricate carving with floral motifs are inscribed on this tower. So these are the points given here. You can write from the book. I have given only short means some points here, but you have to complete the sentence. You have to write from page 74. I have given the hints only here. Then question number 4, you see from the book, page 78. Mention any two military reforms introduced by Alauddin Khilji. You have to write any two military reform. Alauddin Khilji was the first ruler of Delhi who laid the foundation of a permanent standing army. Okay, it is given in your book, this sentence. First you write the sentence, then you write other points. He imported quality horses and started the system of branding horses so that the soldiers could not replace them. With inferior quality horses. He also introduced the system of chehra, that is giving a kind of identity card for every soldier. Okay, then question number 5. How did Alauddin Khilji expand his empire? A large region was ruled in northern India by Alauddin. Alauddin Khilji conquered many southern states and states of Devagiri, Warangal, Dwarasamudra and Madurai. The annual tribute paid by these states was used for maintenance of his army. Okay. Then after that, question number 6. Mention the two controversial steps taken by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Here only write 2 points. No need to explain here. Point 1, shifting of capital from Delhi to Devagiri. Point 2, introducing the token currency. Then question number 7. Who was the commander-in-chief of the army during the Sultanate period? 2 questions are given. Name the department which dealt with state correspondence during the Sultanate period. So, who was the commander-in-chief of the army during the Sultanate period? Answer is Sultan was the commander-in-chief of the army during the Sultanate period. Then second answer, you have to write the department which deals with the correspondence during the Sultanate period. Diwani Insa was department which dealt with the state correspondence during the Sultanate period. Then last question is, what was the Iqta system? First sentence, what you have to write? During Sultanate period, the empire was divided into provinces called Iqtas. During this period, the practice of giving of revenue from a territory during that period, the practice of giving grants of revenue from a territory came to be known as the Iqta system. Okay, so those who were given Iqtas were called Iqtadars. Out of these grants, the Iqtadars had to maintain themselves, their families and some soldiers for use by the sultans during war. Okay, all the short question answers I have given you. You have to read this lesson as well as the question answers. Okay, then you can write down in your notebook.